Now, straightening out this hair, I had no issues. I actually like the way that this is colored towards the bottom. It's super cute. It's not doing too much because it's not all the way through. It's just in the little top pieces.